Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to put tabs into sleep mode or hibernate or pause mode using Google Chrome extension. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in Google. So write tab hibernate, press enter. So this is Chrome Web Store link. So click on it. So by using this Google Chrome extension, we are going to convert all our unused tab to hibernate mode, sleep mode or pause. So click on add to Chrome and then you see add extension. So click on it. Now you see tab hibernate has been added to Chrome. Now open any website. So website page open, on top you see Chrome extension icon. So click on it and then find here tab hibernate, pin it. Now on top you see icon. So click on it and then you see tab hibernate on mail.google.com. You see multiple option. Enable tab hibernate on this website, disable hibernate on this page, disable hibernate on this website. Also you see we have 14 tabs. Hibernate this tab. If you want, you can hibernate all tabs or wake up all. So it's up to you. Auto hibernate after 15 minutes. So this is global setting. Auto wake up on tab focus. So we are going to hibernate this tab. So click on it. Now you see this tab are adding on hibernate section. So by using this we are going to save memory usage. Now we are going to click on wake up all. So click on it. Now you see 0 tabs are hibernating. Again click on it. One time you click. Now click on it. Again click on it. Now you see 1 by 14. Click on wake up all. Again click on it. Now again click on it. Now you see 0 by 14 tabs are hibernating. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.